Yo guy, yo guys, it's your boy Danilo Everything here, and today, dang, I still remember my intro after not recording it for months. And today we're gonna be doing an NBA playoff tier list. This thing isn't accurate because it has like teams that didn't even make the playoffs at all, or was in the play-in and didn't make it. So I'm not gonna be ranking these teams like the Raptors, the Bulls, the New Orleans Pelicans. What else? Who else didn't make it? Who else? Oh, and the Thunder. So those four teams are going to be left out. So starting with number one, the Cleveland Cavaliers. When I first I thought they would be a first round exit. No, I thought they could win a series. I thought they could win a series. That's what my original thought was. But they were. So my original thought, I thought they could win a series, but now they're eliminated in the first round. This Atlanta Hawks, I thought they could win a series. I thought they could make a run like they did for the last 2 years. Because didn't they beat Joel Embiid last year? Let's see. Uh, Atlanta. Atlanta Hawks. Because Trae Young, nasty. Because Trae Young almost made it to the finals once. And I thought Trae Young could do it again. I thought they could make a run or they could be a title contender. But this year I thought they could make a run. Celtics this year, I thought they would be a first round exit. Like I said. Yeah, I'm gonna put them. I thought they would be a first round exit. But this one is gonna be crazy. Right here. My Brooklyn Nets. The Brooklyn Nets. Brooklyn Nets. I thought we could possibly go to the finals and be title contenders. But like my original thought, after playing the Sixers 5 times in a row, I would have to put my team as a first round exit. Bruh. I can't believe I'm putting in a first round exit. Oh my god. Bro. I thought that we could, yeah. It's depressing. I can't put my team right here. But the Nuggets, though, the Denver Nuggets, let's put them. I thought they could. I thought they could possibly make a run. Or what did I think of the Nuggets? I thought Minnesota could eliminate them in the first round. That was crazy, but I thought they could be right here joining the Celtics and the Nets in the first round exit. But I thought they could. I thought they would be a first round exit because Anthony Edwards and the Grizzlies. But now I think they're a title 10. The Warriors. I thought they could make another run, try to make it to the finals again. Clippers. I thought they would be. I thought they could make a run also. Lakers. I thought Lakers. Lakers. I thought they were gonna. I thought they would be a first round exit. They should have been a first round exit. Trust me, they should have been. They should have been a first round exit. Lakers should have been a first. Like they. LeBron's getting too old. I'm surprised he's even lasted against Curry because you heard Darren Fox say it's true that it's hard to guard Curry because Matthew Dellavedova almost died trying to guard Curry because he was in the hospital for like 3 days. So LeBron, yeah, LeBron and the Lakers. I put them in the first round exit. Like I said, I thought Grizzlies could make. Oh, you know what? I should put all the play-in teams right here. Strictly a playoff team. Mm. Um, so for the Heat, I thought they could possibly make a run like these two. I thought they could make another. I thought they could make a run and possibly Jimmy Butler could possibly carry them and take them to the finals if they wanted him to. Um, Bucks title contender. Wolves. I thought they could win a series. I thought they could beat the sucky Denver Nuggets with Jokic. Knicks. They're overrated. I thought they would be a first round exit. I think the Knicks are the most overrated team in New York because Brooklyn is underrated. I'm surprised both of the New York teams made it to the playoffs. Like the Knicks and Nets, they're usually not in the playoffs in the same year. They're usually not because we made the playoffs for the past like 5 years in a row. The Knicks. Oh, I'm gonna do my research real quick. See if the Knicks made the playoffs for the last year. Because I think this is the only year that both of the New York teams made it. Last year, nope. 2020, nope. Oh no, 2020. Both of the teams made it. Let me search up who was on the 2020 Knicks. 2020 Knicks. Was it? Oh, I think this is. Oh, this was Randall. Randall on the Knicks. So team to watch out for. Yep, Randall and the Knicks. Philly, I thought they would be a first round exit. I know. My honest opinion, I thought they could win the series, but not against the Nets. Phoenix, title contender because they stole Kevin Durant from us. Kings, I thought they could make a run. Okay. How's my outro go? I forgot how my outro goes. It's so zesty. I forgot. Okay. Bye guys.